Good afternoon, everyone. So, we're starting something new on the channel. This is not really Disney related, but it's more of a health thing. I started the keto diet probably 3 years ago and I lost a crazy amount of weight. So we're starting to do that again. In 2019, I gained a lot of weight. A lot. So, we're gonna try to change our diets, and so far we're doing pretty good, but I'm gonna actually start cooking on the channel. I actually really love cooking. I like showing people different foods and cooking for them, and there's a lot of my friends that tried my food and they love it. Christy loves my food and she's a great chef too, so she'll be cooking too. So we're actually gonna start cooking, and today we're gonna make a porchetta. Porchetta usually takes about a day in the fridge just to dry out, and then we blast it in the oven, and I'll show you guys how to pretty much make it. We're gonna start a new segment on the channel called Keto Corner, and we're going to do different recipes, especially for people on the keto diet that think it's a bunch of food you can't eat, but in reality there's a lot of alternatives and a lot of different recipes that I've done that make the diet go a lot easier, and you don't feel too bad for yourself when you can't have something yummy like everyone else. And I've done the diet before and it does work, so if you guys want to give it a go ahead, but let's get on to it. So the shopping list for what you need would be 1 large piece of pork belly, grated nutmeg, sage preferably finely chopped, rosemary finely chopped, fennel seeds, pine nuts, salt. I use pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and 12 garlic cloves. So let's get all our ingredients ready. For no expense, and I also like adding olive oil. And like the dumbass that I am, I forgot to record while I was preparing everything, so instead I like to show you guys just a slideshow of my dogs. Our dogs. So after everything is said and done, this is how your pork belly should look. Remember to cut in between the meat to put some of those ingredients inside, so when you cook it, it cooks all the ingredients. And this is a fast motion of wrapping it up and tying it up, getting it ready. And it's the next day, so let's put this sucker in the oven. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna probe it. I have an iGrill Master and it pretty much connects to my phone on Bluetooth, so I inject it and make sure it's tight, and we're gonna preheat our oven to 260. We're gonna put it for until it hits the temperature of 160, and then for 30 minutes we're gonna blast it to 500 and crisp the skin for 30 minutes. So now that the pork hit 160 on the meter, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna blast it for 30 minutes at 500. Everything was delicious. Now, it's time to sleep. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next time.